Ever thought your breakfast staple could hold the secret to a healthier heart and brain? Well, today we'll crack open the truth about eggs. Eggs, those oval wonders, are enjoyed by people across the globe. They've earned a spot on our breakfast tables nestled between crispy bacon and buttery toast. But eggs are more than just a delicious start to your day. They're a powerhouse of nutrients packed with everything your body needs to kickstart its morning. From proteins to vitamins, these humble breakfast champions are bursting with potential health benefits. Intriguingly, they might just hold the secret to better heart and brain health. But let's not put all our eggs in one basket just yet. We'll be delving into the science behind these claims, unscrambling the facts, and separating the yolk from the whites. Before we dive in, remember this video is for educational purposes only and can't replace professional medical advice. Let's unscramble the nutritional content of an egg. You might be surprised by what you find. First off, did you know that eggs are among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet? That's right. One large egg contains a little bit of almost every nutrient we need. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's crack this open, nutrient by nutrient, starting with protein. Protein is a crucial building block for our bodies. It's vital for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance. And guess what's an excellent source of high-quality protein? You've got it, eggs. According to the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, eggs are one of the best sources of complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce on their own. Next up, let's talk about vitamins. Eggs are a veritable powerhouse of vitamins including A, B5, B12, and B2, along with selenium. Vitamin A is crucial for vision and immune function. B vitamins play a vital role in energy production, and selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant. But wait, there's more. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune function. And, as per the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, they're also an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that's incredibly important for brain health. And let's not forget about the healthy fats. Yes, you heard it right, healthy fats. Despite the bad rap fats often get, they're crucial for our bodies. They provide energy, support cell growth, and protect our organs. The fats found in eggs are predominantly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are linked to heart health. In a nutshell, or should I say eggshell, eggs are a nutrient powerhouse. They're packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, healthy fats, and other beneficial nutrients that contribute to heart and brain health. So it's clear that eggs are packed with nutrients that can benefit our heart and brain. But what about cholesterol? Eggs and cholesterol, a contentious topic. But are eggs really the villains they're often painted to be? It's time to crack this case wide open and separate fact from fiction. Let's start with the basics. Yes, it's true that eggs, particularly their yolks, contain cholesterol. A single large egg boasts about 200 milligrams of this waxy fat-like substance. This number has often led to the belief that eggs are a significant contributor to high cholesterol levels, which in turn can lead to heart disease. But hold on a minute, before you banish eggs from your plate, let's delve a little deeper. The truth is, the cholesterol in your diet, from sources like eggs, doesn't necessarily raise the cholesterol levels in your blood. This may sound counterintuitive, but let's break it down. The liver is your body's primary cholesterol factory, producing all that you need for vital functions. When you consume foods high in cholesterol, your liver simply adjusts, producing less. Moreover, scientific studies have shown that for most people, the cholesterol consumed from eggs doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that moderate egg consumption, up to 1 egg per day, is not associated with increased heart disease risk in healthy individuals. The plot thickens though. Not all cholesterol is created equal. There's the bad kind, low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, and the good kind, high-density lipoprotein, or HDL. Eggs, it seems, tend to increase the HDL, the good stuff, and not the LDL. So, what's the takeaway? Eggs are not the cholesterol-filled villains they've been made out to be. They're a nutrient powerhouse, providing a good source of high-quality protein and other essential nutrients. So, while eggs do contain cholesterol, they won't necessarily harm your heart. In fact, they could actually be beneficial. This is not a pass to start a daily egg feast, though. As with all things, moderation is key. And remember, always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Now that we've cracked the cholesterol myth, let's delve into the extraordinary health benefits of eggs. Eggs, my friends, are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with vital nutrients that play key roles in our overall well-being. Let's start with heart health. Eggs are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids which are known to reduce blood levels of triglycerides, a type of fat that is bad for your heart when in excess. Some eggs are even higher in omega-3s because of the hen's diet. Next, we have brain health. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that is essential for a healthy brain. Choline is used to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is vital for maintaining memory and communication among brain cells. So, having eggs for breakfast could potentially help you ace that test or remember where you put your keys. But that's not all. Eggs are a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. This protein can help in muscle strength and weight management. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the need for unnecessary snacking. And let's not forget about eye health. Eggs contain 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, that help protect the eyes from harmful light and the onset of age-related macular degeneration. The vitamin A in eggs also promotes good vision. But wait, there's more! Eggs are also a good source of selenium, a nutrient that supports the immune system and regulates thyroid hormones. Plus, they're rich in vitamin B12, which is essential for preventing anemia. And here's an extra fact for you. Despite their small size, eggs contain a bit of almost every nutrient you need. Now, isn't that extraordinary? So whether you prefer your eggs scrambled, poached, or boiled, you're feeding your body a host of nutrients that contribute to your heart health, brain function, muscle strength, and so much more. With so many benefits, it's hard to ignore the power of this humble breakfast food. So, the next time you crack open an egg, remember, you're not just making a meal, you're taking a step towards better health. So, how can you go the egg straw mile and make the most of these benefits? Well, consider pairing eggs with a rainbow of vegetables. An egg scramble with bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes perhaps? Not only does this add a burst of color to your plate, but it also boosts the nutrient content of your meal. Vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that complement the nutrients found in eggs. Don't forget about whole grains. They provide a great source of complex carbohydrates which give your body the energy it needs to function properly. Think about a poached egg over a bed of quinoa or a hard-boiled egg as a side to a bowl of oatmeal. Now I know what you're thinking. But can I eat eggs every day? The answer is yes, but with a caveat. Moderation is key. While eggs are nutrient-dense, they should be part of a varied diet that includes a wide range of foods. In the same vein, it's important to remember that while eggs are a fantastic source of protein, they are not the only source. Mixing up your protein sources ensures you're getting a broad spectrum of amino acids and other nutrients. And just like with any food, how you cook your eggs matters. Boiling or poaching is generally healthier than frying, as it doesn't require any added fats. However, if you do want that sunny side up egg, consider using a healthier cooking oil, such as olive or avocado oil. Remember, while eggs are a health powerhouse, they're just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet and lifestyle are key to heart and brain health. So get creative in the kitchen with eggs, but always keep in mind the importance of variety and moderation. If you find the information here useful, then please smash the like button and subscribe. This goes a long way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.